Up on a new little baddie. She all about that cash. We be all up in traffic. Steady chasing the bag. Never wanna go back to the past. I never be last. Full throttle, got my foot on the gas.
I like
I'm
cooking
above the
chicken.
class. She act like she famous. That's what they be saying. Her body shape so amazing. I look at her like damn. We smoking back so we faded. Late night X-rated. Just me and her, no playing. It ain't no playing. I ain't even gotta say shit. She's so hot, she plays. She's so bad. Her body is vacant. Tattoo game, I'm crazy. It's so crazy. She match my flavor. She act like she famous. She's so bad. I don't even really blame her. Her last nigga go crazy. Cause you know it can't tame her. She act like she famous.
Family.
That's what they be saying. Her body shape so amazing. I look at her like damn. We smoking facts and we faded. Late night X-rated. Just me and her, no playing. I ain't even gotta shake shit. Hey, just so. That's so. Bitch, just hold up, but I watch your tone. But I don't got no time for no hoes, so better leave me alone. Niggas speak on me, that nigga froze. I better pick his nose. I can trust that bitch, she don't fold. I gotta cut my nose off. Tell that little bitch I said, I
What up, boy?
niggas speak on me, that nigga froze. I better pick his nose up. I'm like, I pick my hoes up, but not on
Hear me?
What's up with it, boy?
Shout out to my nigga, nigga. Even don't like that nigga, but it's my nigga.
Bar.
What's
Well,
that?
good. You already know me, man. I'm sitting there chilling and grilling. You
Man,
already
you
know.
know me, nigga. I'm all your favorite cousin, favorite uncle. Just got done fucking with the little one. Oh, wait. Let me get a piece.
Come on,
Let me get a
come
goddamn piece.
on. Come on, them folks.
Yeah, I need a
Yeah.
little piece. I need a chicken, cooked chicken sandwich, and then
Mm-hmm.
Polish sausage with the bun. Hey,
We ain't playing no game.
all we need is barbecue sauce. That's it. That's me. And I ain't saying he need it, but I need that barbecue
Say,
sauce.
but you say that real Texas barbecue, you know, you don't need no barbecue sauce on it. You got that good smoke on it. You know what I'm talking about? Got that good smoke. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, when you smoking that
That's how
good
I
smoke.
already know that's how you was coming.
Yeah, see
Oh
when
man, nah,
you
nigga,
got that good,
I need a little sauce to my shit.
you know what I'm talking about? Got
Nerd.
that good wood chip shoe. Say. You don't need no
Hey, and I'm
barbecue
gonna tell
sauce.
y'all niggas now. Just because a nigga want sauce on it, don't mean your shit ain't juice. Nigga,
You know how
nigga
it get.
niggas like sauce.
Yeah,
Huh.
I don't need it.
Mom, I see what you got going on, big bro. What's that, nigga?
You already know, man. I ain't doing no minding my business, chilling like a villain. Yes, sir. You
Another
already
gay. I just
know.
came in fucking with my nieces and nephews, man. Hey,
Oh,
I ain't
yeah.
even gonna lie. No, you know what? You know what?
Talk to me.
I lied.
You lied. That boy crazy.
I lied. Yeah, I know. One reason why I say I lied because I didn't. I thought these niggas was a right hand guard, bro. Like this game came from hollering at some young niggas, putting them in the game, bro. They
That's what's
called me,
up.
they said, OG, nigga, pull up, nigga. I got some young niggas on this bitch.
So,
Drop us the game. I said, bitch, I'm old.
you OG? You OG now?
Yeah, yeah. You see how your face be?
Damn, you an OG now.
You bet. Hey, I don't want to do it.